Producing fantastic results and easy to maintain, this Hotpoint single oven makes cooking great food a real pleasure. Multiflow technology circulates an all-enveloping heat flow in every inch of the oven cavity. Whether it's succulent chicken or light and airy bread and cakes, you'll get perfectly even results every time, whatever shelf you use. The steam clean cycle will loosen tough food residue that often builds up in difficult to reach areas of the cavity in just 35 minutes. Maintaining a clean oven is made easy and convenient. Simply unhook the tilting grill for easy access cleaning and wipe the remaining dirt away with a damp cloth. The electronic temperature controls use sensors in the oven cavity to continually monitor the cooking temperature and accordingly adjust itself to maintain a hotness within 2 degrees of your selected temperature. Now you can be confident that your food will be cooked to perfection the moment you take it out. This Hotpoint single oven will allow you to explore a world of flavour. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for the family, you can enjoy perfectly cooked dishes time after time.